Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that has finally came out to Boost Mobile, and it's been a while since a new phone actually released on Boost Mobile. So in today's video, like I said, we're going to be talking about it and see what kind of specs it has. So I'm very excited, and like I said, it's been a long time. So finally, Boost Mobile is coming out with new phones, and a main reason that I think it took them a while is coming up in the next portion of this video, but let's get to it, guys. So like I said, finally this phone was kind of leaked a little bit, not officially leaked yet, but it actually was shown in one of my videos that it was coming up. The one we're talking about is LG K51. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what it's, what it has to offer. So right now, if you go to Boost Mobile, scroll down, and a quick note, you can actually get it on sale right now thanks to the Cinco 2020. That's the, Feliz Cinco de Mayo. That's today, so at least one making of this video. So you can get an extra 20% off on any Android phone as long as they're new Android phones. So use that promo code right there. It's totally free. And talking about promo codes, it's a good time to talk about Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that find you the best promo codes on any popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, anything. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more. I will have in the description below. If you install that on your Google Chrome browser and when you make your first purchase, I do get a small commission. That does help the channel bring more videos and phones this way. So thank you guys. So like I said, all that will be in the description below. So, check it out. So let's go ahead and check it out. We actually go here and it's the LG K51. Actually, just by the looks of it, guys, it kind of reminds me of like a Samsung, A20 or A50, kind of like, the Samsung, boat and just in the front, at least to the Boost Mobile. So like I said, it's the LG K51, and yes, you can actually, it's on sale right now, guys. The phone goes for $150. With Boost Mobile, you can get it for $89, which is a steal. You're saving $60 right there. With that same $60, you can buy, you can purchase a plan basically with it. So this is good for new customers or upgrading customers. So if you're upgrading, think about, you're saving $60 or a month's worth of service depending on what plan you have. And for a new customer, it's basically you're getting your, you're getting your first month free if you really think about that, especially right now with an extra 15% or an extra 20%, which I believe it knocks off $17 off this price. So not bad at all. That's another, $17 savings there. So it's pretty cool. I believe you would get it like at $71 or something like that. I'm not too sure, but I think you save, $17 give or take using this promo code. Just off the top of my head. So let's go ahead and first take a look and inspect the phone and see if it's cool, if it's worth it. So as you can see, like I said, it does have a teardrop notch, which is nice. I do like them. I mean, it doesn't bother me at all. Looks like the power button is on the right. And then it looks like it does have a 3.5mm headphone jack right there. As you can see it. And then that's where the charger goes. I'm guessing Type-C. We'll find out in just a little bit. It does have a volume up, volume down, and I believe that button is your Google Assistant button. Not too sure, but I'm almost positive that's what it is. As you can see, there's actually 4 buttons, 3 on the left, and of course 1 on the right for the power. So like I said, I'm pretty sure that's your Google Assist button right there. So here's the side of it. That's what it looks like. So I believe that's where the SIM card goes right there. And then as you can see, very, very nice overall. Proximity sensors and all that stuff. Here's the back. Now, what the back got me was them cameras. Check those cameras out. It has 3 cameras or 3 camera lenses in the back, a flash, and a fingerprint sensor as well. So this looks very pretty premium for the price. I mean, for $90 on Boost Mobile, that's pretty crazy. That's why I like Boost Mobile. So they always have these amazing deals. And then of course there's the LG, but definitely the 3 lenses. And I don't know, guys, but I don't know if you remember this. Doesn't this phone look a little familiar, like one of the past LG phones? Let's look at that. So as you can see, guys, I pulled up some pictures here. That it actually does look like most of the LG products that they came out with, the G7s, the G8s, and these are the V series as well. So as you can see, this is the V50. As you can see, it does have the 3 cameras on the back. So it is pretty nice. They do, like I said, I like that. It looks premium, at least to me, you know. So that does look pretty good, and it reminds me of the more expensive phones, even though this phone has a very budget price. Now the back, I'm guessing it's got to be plastic. You know, it's not going to be glass or wireless charging, at least not at this price. It'd be crazy if LG did that. But overall, LG does make some nice budget phones, and I think a lot of people don't give it its respect that it deserves. Yes, it does have a lot of issues with the whole like boot loop issues. Now they do give you 2 years warranty, at least with their more flagship phones. I'm not sure if this one will get it. I doubt that, you know, LG will give you 2 years manufacturer warranty on this just because it's so cheap, you know. But you know, that's just my personal thoughts on LG. I could have got a new LG, but you know, I don't know. But let's go ahead and see what it says. So it says take epic panoramas, vistas, and brag-worthy group shots with a triple camera system. So this phone is very, very good looking, I would say, and they're really pushing that triple camera because that's the thing that catches your eye, especially if you're looking at it through the back. So it says featuring a 115 super wide lens, snap striking photos that let you stand out with bokeh portrait effect. Wow! So at $90, guys, remember we're talking about $90 right here. It does have bokeh portrait effect. Immerse yourself in ultimate entertainment and rich media on an expansive 6.5-inch large display, guys. This thing has a 6.5-inch display. I've been looking for a new phone to actually watch, you know, anime and a bunch of other TV shows. Yes, I have the Note 10 Plus here, but still, you know, for a budget price, it's worth checking out. So it says large displays, true to life colors. Wow, at a budget price. The LG K51 packs premium features and a powerful battery to capture the experience all that life has to offer. That is very powerful right there, because it packs premium features for really budget price, and you know, it does have a nice battery. We'll talk about that. So this phone, like it says, it does have a 6.5-inch screen, 13 megapixel rear camera, 23 hours of talk time. Wow. Storage is 32, which, you know, is respectable. It's not going to be 64, at least not at this price. But 32 is very respectable for $80. Yes, you might be saying that's the sale price, it's on sale, but it really costs $150. But, you know, right now you can get it for $90. So it does have Android 9, does not have Android 10 yet. So I don't know if it'll get it, maybe later in the future. But right now it comes with Android Pie. So let's keep reading it. Here's the key features of it. So big screen, and like I said, relive your best moments and favorite shows in HD rich multimedia experience. I really want to test out how HD that is. You know, can I watch a 4K video on it? Who knows? We'll test it out. At least I'm hoping it is a 1080p display, not a 720. If it's 1080, I'll be happy with it. So here's the main feature of it, of course, the perfect shot every time, which is the 3 cameras on the back. So the LG K51 triple camera system gives you the flexibility to shoot a wide angle, automate bokeh blurs. Wow. Automate bokeh blurs. So it'll blur out, you know, do the whole bokeh effect. Everybody likes that. You know, it's 2020. Everybody wants that little blur in the background because that's what premium phones do, and it makes your pictures look a lot better. It says, or grab a quick one-click shot. It's easy to use and a breeze to customize your photos, giving you great range and photographic freedom. Wow. So right there is probably saying it's going to have some, you know, I would say some picture editing features there. And another key feature that, you know, a lot of premium phones have is the one-touch unlock, which is the fingerprint sensor. Yes, of course, the newer ones have the in-screen fingerprint, but hey, you know, you're definitely not gonna find that here. So it says the fingerprint sensor helps unlock your tablet. Whoa, conveniently and quickly to peace of mind. Whoa. So quick typo right there. It says your tablet. That's funny because this is a phone, not a tablet. So little, you know, thing out to boost mobile. You probably want to check that out, guys. Now, to finish this off, let's look at the specs. Here's official specs. So the battery is a 4,000 milliamp battery, guys. Oh, yeah. Jeez, I got stuck on that. But yeah, 4,000 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 23 hours. Of course, the phone battery is non-removable, so you cannot take off the back. Memory is 3 gigs of RAM, which, wow, I'm pretty surprised. 3 gigs. I mean, 4 would be nice, but hey, can't complain, because some phones that are more expensive than this phone actually comes with only 2 gigs of RAM. So 3 gigs of RAM is respectful. Of course, 32 gigs of internal memory, supports extended micro SD card up to 2 terabytes. Good God, a 2 terabyte SD card would be more expensive than this phone, so that's funny. The processor is a MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core 2.0 gigahertz processor, so it's not no Snapdragon. It's a MediaTek, which, you know, a lot of people do seem to like MediaTek. I personally still like, you know, Snapdragon and all that stuff, but of course Snapdragon you would get with a more premium phone. So operating system, like I said, Android 9. The camera's a 13 megapixel PDAF standard angle camera, and a 5 megapixel super wide and a 2 megapixel bokeh rear camera. So it has, like I said, 3 cameras: a 13 megapixel, a 5, and a 2. So the 2 megapixel is only for the bokeh effect. 13 megapixels is the standard, and then the 5 is the super wide. So standard, super wide, and the bokeh, that's the 3 cameras on the back, so it's pretty nice. The display, it just says 6.5-inch HD plus full vision, which, like I said, I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be a 720 at this price. But, you know, the screen is, well, it's pretty big, so I don't know. I'm going to test that out to see if you can really tell, you know, if you want to pixel peep a little bit there, so I don't know. Then there's the dimensions, Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth 5.0. So it is USB Type-C. Does not say if it's fast charging or not. I would have to test that out. I will test that out. And then, of course, it's stereo and DTS X3D surround system with headphone jack. And other features, the fingerprint sensor, Google Assist key. That's what that is. So like I said, that was your Google key. So it's a Google Assist key. And complying with the 8mm STD 810G test, whatever that is. I have no idea. Now, before I finish this video, one last thing, guys, that I must say is this phone is actually compatible with a nationwide network. That's the network that Boost Mobile or will be able to access T-Mobile's network. So it's only a certain amount of phones that can do that, and this is one of the phones. That's why I want to get it. Now, they won't ship me, I believe, a SIM card. That's, you need a SIM card to be able to use the network. You would have to go to your local store. So, you know, I'll probably have to call it in to see if I can get a SIM card. But I want to test out this network when it fully launches in my area, which should be this month, I believe, at least later this month. So very excited. That's why I'm getting it. So yes, guys, I spoiled it. I'm getting this phone. So you already know I'll be doing an unboxing and a review, a gaming review, pictures, everything. I'm going to do the whole thing. I'm going to go back to my roots, especially now since I'm working from home, guys. I have so much time now. Well, I wouldn't say so much time, but I have time now to do all of these videos. So hopefully I get it in a couple days and start making all my videos and go back to my roots. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. And everybody that's in quarantine watching this, you know, stay safe and, you know, stay happy. So thank you for watching, guys. And, you know, cool.